Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This weekend gospel, Jesus tells us, foxes have holes, and birds have nests, and Son of Man has nowhere lay his head. That he spoke one time when he did not get a room to stay in Samaria. They were walking through Samaria, wanted to stay there one night only. Those days, Jesus' followers, they did not like Samaria because they sent them away, not giving them a room. At that time, one fellow came and says, "Lord, I'd like to follow you wherever you go." And just now, Jesus was refused a room to stay. And then all his disciples get upset, annoyed in holdings. They said, "Let's bring fire from heaven and destroy them." Jesus said, "That's not a good thing. Let's go to another village. Foxes have holes and the birds have nests, but the Son of Man has nowhere to lay his head." That meant, this night, I don't have even a place to sleep. When you come and follow me, sometimes you may be ostracized, you may be rejected, you may be hated by men, you may be run into challenges and problems like this. Do you still want to follow me? So dear my brothers and sisters in Christ, this is not easy way. This is not easy way to follow his footsteps. But do you still want to follow him? I wish you all well. Take care. God bless you. Bye.